Alert. Every bottle of Coca-Cola begins with water, and this facility processes over 2 million gallons of raw municipal.
Examples. The activated carbon filtration stage removes every last trace of chlorine, organic compounds, and taste-producing chemicals.
Reverse osmosis membranes filter at the molecular level, physically removing dissolved minerals and salts to create water of absolute pharmaceutical-grade purity.
The purified water must achieve conductivity readings lower than pharmaceutical injection-grade standards.
Ultraviolet sterilization provides a final non-chemical barrier against any surviving microorganisms. Chilling the purified water to near freezing is essential because cold water absorbs and retains significantly more. After complete purification, specific minerals are precisely re-added to recreate the exact mineral composition.
The water treatment system operates under continuous quality monitoring with automatic shutdown safeguards that immediately halt production.
This single drop of water, purified to absolute molecular perfection, will carry within it the most closely.
The syrup preparation room is the most heavily secured area in the entire facility. Only a handful of
Ocean. The exact proportions of the secret concentrate ingredients are known by fewer than a dozen people globally. The formula has never.
The secret concentrate contains the iconic proprietary blend of natural flavoring oils, botanical extracts, and aromatic compounds.
Pure refined liquid sugar constitutes the largest single ingredient by volume, providing the characteristic sweet flavor.
The agitation speed and duration are precisely specified to achieve complete ingredient incorporation without introducing excessive.
The finished simple syrup must achieve absolute uniformly consistent color, clarity and density before being approved.
Brix measurement precisely quantifies the dissolved sugar concentration, which must match the master specification to.
The approved syrup is maintained at precisely controlled temperature during transfer and holding to prevent sugar crystallization and
The syrup preparation room is continuously monitored even when empty. Every entry, every dispensing event.
The carbonation system is where purified ice-cold water meets finished syrup and pressurized carbon dioxide gas.
The proportioning system continuously adjusts the syrup-to-water ratio in real time, using high-speed flow meters and servant. The finished carbonated beverage must be maintained under constant positive pressure throughout the entire transfer to the filler to prevent.
If the transfer line pressure drops even momentarily below the critical threshold, dissolved CO2 will explosively come out of sleeves.
Carbonation level directly defines the intensity of the characteristic fizzy mouthfeel. Too little gas creates a flat, disappointing drink.
The final inline checkpoint verifies carbonation level, syrup ratio, temperature, and microbiological purity simultaneously. The pressurized supply tank acts as the final buffer between the continuous blending process and the demanding high-speed bottle filling.
Carbonation is precisely quantified as gas volumes, representing the number of times the volume of dissolved CO2 exceeds the liquid volume at standard conditions.
With all quality parameters verified and approved, the finished dark carbonated beverage races under pressure toward the most
Every single returnable glass bottle must be subjected to an incredibly aggressive, multi-stage caustic washing process before
The returned bottles are first submerged in a concentrated hot caustic soda solution that aggressively dissolves paper labels.
Multiple successive caustic baths of increasing concentration and temperature progressively attack and completely remove every trace of the previous.
After the aggressive caustic treatment, multiple successive freshwater rinse stages completely remove all residue.
Automated electronic inspection scrutinizes every washed bottle for structural defects, including chips, cracks. The iconic contour bottle shape, designed in 1915, is so universally recognized that it can be identified by touches.
A final ultraviolet sterilization pass provides an additional non-chemical biological safety barrier, ensuring
4,000 sterile empty bottles per hour converge on the filler in a continuous dense stream.
the firmness. The rotary filler is the absolute centerpiece of the entire facility, a precision engineering marvel containing 120.
The counter-pressure technique pre-pressurizes the empty bottle with carbon dioxide gas before filling begins, preventing the
At peak operational speed, the filler produces over 2,000 air-singled bottles.
The specialized filling valve directs the liquid to flow down the interior glass wall in a smooth laminar spiral, preventing.
The filled bottles transfer directly from the filling carousel to the capping carousel, with zero gap time, minimizing the Any bottle not meeting the precise fill level specification within a 2 mm tolerance is instantly and ruthlessly.
The crimping force is precisely calibrated to deform the crown cap lip securely under the glass bottle rim flange without applying excessive stress.
The seamless mechanical ballot between the 120 valve filler and 80 head cap wrapper
The post-fill inspection zone subjects every single sealed bottle to a comprehensive battery of automated quality checks.
Annual random sampling provides essential human verification that the automated inspection systems are functioning correctly and not missing any subtle quality deviations.
Active visible carbonation observed through the bottle is the simplest and most immediate visual confirmation that the beverage contains the proper dissolved carbon dioxide level.
Cap removal torque must fall within a precise specification window. Too easy and the seal may leak during distribution. Too tight and consumers will struggle to open the bottle. Only structurally sound, correctly filled, properly capped, and inspection-verified bottles are permitted to proceed.
Sealed bottles now race toward the final consumer-facing transformation, the application of the iconic bright red Coca-Cola label.
The labeling department transforms anonymous sealed dark bottles into the globally recognized iconic consumer product through the
Every label must be applied with meter positional accuracy. Consumers instantly notice and the transformation is immediate and dramatic. Anonymous dark bottles become instantly globally recognizable.
The facility simultaneously operates glass renewable, PET plastic, and aluminum can filling.
In less than 1 second, 60 grams of pressurized air transforms a tiny heated plastic preform into a The double seam process permanently folds the aluminum lid edge into an interlocking helical pattern with the can body, creating a
Three completely different packaging formats, three completely different filling technologies, but every single one containing the identical, precisely formulated product from the same source tank.
Multi-pack formats group individual bottles into consumer-convenient bundles that are easier to transport from the store shelf to the home refrigerator.
Final human quality verification provides the essential last line of defense, confirming automated systems are performing correctly before products leave the factory.
Automated case packers handle the mixed packaging formats, loading glass multi-packs, PET bottle bundles, and can trays.
The palletizing cell receives mixed cases from all packaging formats and builds optimized pallet configurations for each distribution destination.
Multiple layers of pre-stretched film create a rigid, transport-ready monolith from the individual stacked cases.
The shipping label enables complete supply chain traceability, from factory floor to retail cooler shelf. The distribution warehouse holds over 20,000 completed pallets, representing millions of individual servings, ready.
The shipping operation runs around the clock, dispatching loaded trailers to regional distribution centers that supply each departing trailer carries enough product to fill over 50,000 individual consumer servings across hundreds of retail and food service outlets.
The final distribution mile connects the massive industrial facility directly to the small neighborhood store where a single consumer will purchase a single cold bottle. From the elevated command center, senior process engineers simultaneously monitor water treatment, syrup preparation.
Even fractional carbonation pressure adjustments directly affect the fizz intensity experienced by millions of consumers.
The board provides comprehensive operational overview across all three simultaneous filling formats, immediately flagging any deviation.
Filler valve maintenance is the most critical preventive task, as any valve malfunction immediately causes fill level inconsistency or contamination risk. Structured daily planning ensures the most critical filler, capper, and washer maintenance tasks are prioritized first.
Trained sensory panelists independently evaluate every production batch, scoring carbonation mouthfeel, sweetness balance.
Even after 20 years, veteran workers describe the sight of the 120-valve filler running at full speed as one of the...
When darkness falls, the relentless mechanical heart of the Coca-Cola factory continues its eternal rhythm without pause.
The 120-valve filler operates continuously through every shift,
without any reduction in speed or precision. One solitary engineer commands the entire autonomous facility alone through the night, sustained by the very product the machines endlessly produce.
Millions of sealed bottles march toward the warehouse without human eyes watching. The water purification system operates continuously, producing millions of gallons of pharmaceutical-grade.
An eternal river of the world's most iconic beverage flows relentlessly through the darkness. From purified water to a sealed iconic bottle, the intricate automated choreography is absolute engineering perfection. Modern engineering has transformed a simple flavored syrup into a genuinely awe-inspiring global industrial beverage empire. One single iconic bottle, born from 40,000 total bottles produced this hour alone. This mammoth facility stands as a testament to the power of industrial precision at global scale. The extraordinary industrial journey of water, sugar, and secret formula culminates in this simple, universal moment. The factory exists in eternal balance, purified water entering and iconic sealed bottles departing endlessly. The industrial journey culminates in this simple, joyful human moment of shared refreshment.
And so the eternal cycle begins once more. Pure water entering, the world's most iconic.
New workers arrive to sustain the perpetual rhythm of production.
From above, the scale becomes comprehensible. 40 million servings daily from a single facility.
The precise marriage of secret formula concentrate and pharmaceutical-grade water recreates the world's most recognizable flavor. Deep, Orlatan. Deep, calm, authoritative male narrator voice speaks slowly and clearly.
The journey from water molecule to cooler shelf. An extraordinary industrial odyssey hidden behind one simple, familiar, iconic bottle. The humble bottle. Water, sugar, and a secret. Behind it, a breathtaking global empire that is